Alright guys, I just want to make this real quick couple of minute video about the two things you need to know about the ONAGOfly. These things might, have, these are like them little head scratchers, Okay, the first thing is when you get it out and you charge the battery, the battery charger has those 4 lights that flash, just like on a DJI battery, and 25, 50, 75, 100. So you plug it in and it charges, it just goes through the light progression and it fills up. And then say you go and take it for a couple of minute flight somewhere, because, it sucks so bad that, you might only fly it for a couple of minutes. And then you go the next day and you go, I want to charge it up again. And you go to charge it up and it doesn't do anything. The charger doesn't seem to work. It doesn't seem to want to charge. The lights will all come on, but they won't flash. Well, the reason is you have to discharge the battery to 60% or less before it'll start charging the battery again. So if you only run 10% of the battery out, it's not going to even charge it up the other 10%. You have to discharge it to 60% before it'll start charging again. Okay, so if you were wondering what that was about, that's what that's about. So, and then the other thing is, if you have an Android phone and you go to scan the QR code that comes in the manual, it'll take you to the Play Store, but it'll tell you that the app's been taken down. Okay? So you're thinking, okay, you're screwed, right? No, you're not screwed. All you have to do is type this into Google. Go to Google on your phone and just type in ONAGOfly, one word, app, APK. And you'll find some websites where you can just download the APK file, which is like a self-extracting app. Or you could go and do it off your computer, just download the file, but then you would have to, transfer it to the SD card through the, plug in your phone into the computer and download the app, and then just, drag the file over to your phone. And then you can just run it off the phone. So, when I did that, because what I was doing was I was going to try, because it flew so crappy with the iPhone, I was thinking maybe I could throw my the app on there from the Android. Maybe it would be different, but that's actually even a worse version, okay, than the iPhone one, which most of these quadcopters, the better app is with the iPhone. I've never seen one where the Android app was better, not one, okay? The iPhone apps are always better, especially with the DJI stuff and with the Unique. The Unique has Android built into their controllers that have, the screens built in and all that. They use Android because they can't get the iOS license, so they don't have a choice. But on the Breeze, the iPhone version works way better than the Android version. So them are the two little tips. So you have to run the battery down to 60% or less, and you can just go find the app for the Android. Just because it's not on the App Store don't mean you're shit out of luck. It means you still have a chance. You still have a chance to fly this turd, okay? Even if you got Android. All right, guys, I'll talk to you later.